What's going on, everybody? I'm Mike Lowe of Mike Lowe Productions. Pretty shouldn't be. So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my new toy. Basically, I had to sell my mpcx because I just never used it. I was like, fuck it. Let me go back to my first love, which is the Native Instruments Maschine.
Kitchen knife.
There she is. The new Maschine mk3, not so new. It's been a while since it's been out. That's a beaut. There she is. You get the two full color screens, audio interface. Yeah, smells good. Snap it in. We're gonna load the software and get this bad boy going. Thanks.